Hi YouTube, Tim Margaret here. In this video, we're going to factor quadratics where the number in front of x squared is 1. Also, in this problem set, every problem has a plus in between the x squared and the next term, as well as the term with x and the term after that. So we're only going to be focusing on finding the positive factors of the last number. The way we're going to do this is we're going to list out the factors of the last number that multiply the last number. We're going to find the pair that multiplies to the last number and adds to the middle number. So let's start with this first one. Factor x squared plus 6x plus 8. So let's list out the positive factors of 8. So that's positive 1 times positive 8 and positive 2 times positive 4. Okay, now positive 2 plus positive 4 equals positive 6. So these two numbers multiply to 8 and add to 6. So I'm going to select these two, and I'm going to write my factored form as x plus 2 times x plus 8. There we go. And that's in factored form. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. All right, so this next one we're going to factor x squared plus 7x plus 10. So again, we'll list out the factors of 10 that are positive because we have a plus here and a plus here, right? So we have positive 1 times positive 10. And we could also multiply positive 2 times positive 5 to get positive 10. And if we look at these two, if we multiply 2 times 5, or sorry, if we add 2 plus 5, we get 7. So this is the pair that's going to work for the second problem. So we're going to write this in factored form as x plus 2 times x plus 5. Okay, and that's our solution for that one. Let's take a look at problem 3. So again, same process. We're going to list out the factors of positive 9. So we can multiply positive 1 times positive 9. We're only listing the positive factors because we have a plus here. We could also do positive 3 times positive 3. And positive 3 plus positive 3 equals positive 6. They multiply to 9 and add to 6. So we're going to select this pair. And there's two different ways we could write the solution. We could write the solution as x plus 3 times x plus 3 or when you multiply something by itself, you square that thing. So you could also write it as x plus 3 squared. Okay, so either of these ways is a good way to write it. Okay, let's go to problem 4, but before we do that, if you are someone who enjoys math and knows other like-minded individuals who like math, could I please ask you to share the video? It really helps with the algorithm and helps get this information out to more people. Okay, enough about that. Let's go to problem 4. All right, so this one, we're going to factor x squared plus 9x plus 20. All right, so I'm going to list the factors of 20, and I have a plus here and a plus here. So I'm going to just focus on positive factors. So we could do positive 1 times positive 20. We could do positive 2 times positive 10. Or we could do positive 4 times positive 5. Now what I do need to do is look for the pair of factors that adds to 9. That's going to be positive 4 and positive 5. I'm going to write my solution as x plus 4 times x plus 5. And there we go. That's that one. All right, let's keep going. I think we got one last one here to do. All right. I think that's it. One last one. Okay, so we're going to factor x squared plus 9x plus 8. Same process. We're going to list out the factors of 8. We have a plus here and a plus here, so we're going to focus on positive factors. So we could do positive 1 times positive 8. We could also do positive 2 times positive 4. But we need the pair of factors that adds to a positive 9. That's positive 1 and positive 8. So I'm going to select this pair of factors, and we're going to write the solution as x plus 1 times x plus 8. And there we go. That's our solution to that one. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, could you please like and subscribe? Thanks.